Hi, I'm Don Wachner. I'm the president of eData Law Group. eData Law Group is a company that basically helps attorneys and helps clients to respond to some of the issues associated with the use of digital devices and electronic evidence in a digital society. And for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to simply describe to you how it is that we work with people and what we do. And this is kind of an introductory seminar, so that as you look at some of the other seminars that we've posted on this website, you'll be able to get an idea of whether we're talking about helping people to avoid a problem, and avoid confrontation, or helping people actually find a person who's causing the issue and then confronting them. eData Law Group is basically broken into two divisions. We have a forensic division, and the forensic division is right now headed by my law firm, the Wachner Law Firm. I'm one of the few attorneys in the United States that's both an attorney. I've been practicing here in Ohio, for example. I've been practicing 39 years, graduate from the University of Chicago and a former partner at one of the international law firms here in Cleveland. And for the last 20 years, I've been a certified computer and a certified cell phone forensic examiner. And on the forensic side of eData Law Group, what we do is I take phones and computers and other electronic devices, I analyze them, and I extract from them information that's important. I basically convert the devices into a witness and get that witness to tell us things. And many times what it tells us we use either to confront somebody, such as in a lawsuit, or to confront somebody, such as turning information over to law enforcement, or sometimes we use that information simply to understand how it is that somebody's being harassed or bullied, in which case then we call upon our partners at the Digital Safety Group. The Digital Safety Group is a group of people headed by Hayden Pritchard, and Hayden Pritchard is responsible for trying to figure out ways and to help people insulate, manage, and report on the manner in which their electronic devices are affecting their lives. Digital Safety Group works a lot of times with the parents and with children and teenagers in order to build like a safe environment in which those people can use their digital devices. I, on the other hand, and the attorneys that work with me, we investigate, identify, and basically confront, through litigation or otherwise, the persons that are causing harm in the world, in the digital world, that's affecting our clients. What we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the manner in which we perform those functions. And we've got several different podcasts that you're going to be able to see, in which we go through the steps of investigation, identifying, etc. And what we're going to do is to try to give you and share with you a worldview. And so the following podcasts that you're going to see today are all on the forensic side of our business. And on the forensic side, we're going to start with taking a look at how do we think about the electronic devices or the digital devices that you use? How do we think about them? And the most important reason that we need to have a paradigm or a way of thinking is so that we can see the witness, so that we can see who's important in a matter. In the same way that you want to be able to see which humans are important, who saw something, who was working on a particular day, who was in the office when something happened, we want to be able to say that we also know and can identify the devices that the humans either intentionally worked with or interacted with as of necessity, and determine, are those devices potentially witnesses in a particular investigation or matter? And in order to do that, we need to be able to have a way of thinking about the devices, and that's what we're going to do in some of the other podcasts that you're going to see shortly. So I appreciate the short introduction. You now have an idea of how eData Law Group, broken up into a forensic side and a helpful digital safety group side, and now we're going to take a look at some of the forensic information. You'll see those in subsequent podcasts.